Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download financial statements from SEC XBRL into Python, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Python installed on your computer. If you haven't already, install the necessary libraries. You will need requests for web requests and pandas for data handling. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the command pip install requests pandas. Once the libraries are installed, open your preferred Python IDE or text editor. Create a new Python script file. Start by importing the necessary libraries at the top of your script. Use the command import requests. Then, add import pandas as PD. Next, identify the SEC filings you want to download. Visit the SEC's Edgar database online. Search for a specific company's filings or use a general search. Copy the URL of the desired filing. In your script file, define a function to download the filing. Use the requests library to make a GET request to the filing's URL. Store the response in a variable. Check if the response status is OK. If it is, proceed to extract the content. Use response.content to access the raw data. Next, parse the data with a library like Beautiful Soup. Import Beautiful Soup by adding from BS4 import Beautiful Soup to your imports. Create a Beautiful Soup object by passing the content and the appropriate parser. Use Beautiful Soup's methods to find the XBRL documents in the HTML structure. Extract the links to the XBRL files. Store these links for further processing. For each XBRL link, make another GET request. Repeat the same steps as before to check the response status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.